Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Lego switchblade. You will have to open it manually, there's no spring. I tried to add a spring. This is kind of what the main result will be like. You have to slide that part in order to actually get the blade out. This is a shorter version, it's not as good. The one that I'm making is longer. I tried to put a spring in it, but it's too big. So what you'll need is 3 4x6s, 2 2x6s, 2 8x8s, no, 2 2x8s, I think that is, no, 2 2x10s, doesn't matter what color any of these are, and then 1 4x10, 1 4x8, 1 16x2, 1 1x12, 1 1x4, a 1x3 block, 1x1 block, a 10. I know this one's an 8, but I think this is a 10x12, 10x1, 10x1. This is an 8x1. Then flat. I'll need 5 2x4 flat pieces, 2 1x4s. Doesn't matter if this has the slide things, like the vent things or not. Just has to be flat. A 2x1. This weird thing. I don't know what to call that. And then 3 1x6s. So what you're going to want to do to start with, and I need to put this in the stand. Don't mind me. Boop. Alright, so what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to take these 3 pieces, and then, okay, hang on. Alright, so then you're going to want to take this, and this, put them together, like that, so that it's like that. So this is the 2x10, and this is the 2x6. 4x6 is 3 of them. Alright. I need to take this out a little bit. Alright. So then you're going to want to take the 2x16. Take one of these pieces. Place it like that. This is the blade. Then you're going to want to take this weird thing, place it like that, and then take 1 1x6 flat, place it on there like that, and then take a 1x4, place it on there. Alright, so there's your blade. So staying on this. So you're going to want to take this, they don't have to have holes in them, they just have to be blocks. So you're going to want to place them on there like that. So then it's like that. Then you're going to want to take these 2 pieces, the 1x3 block and then the 1x1. You're going to want to put this in the front, and this in the back. Alright? Then take the 1x12 and the 1x4. Place them on the side here like that. Hang on, I went a step too far. Gonna want to take these 4 flats, put them in there like that. So then it's like that. And take the 1x2. Place it in the front, and take these, place them in there. Like that. Alright. And take these pieces. This 1x6 flat, another 1x6 flat. Sorry if I'm going too fast, but I'm trying to make this a short video. And you want to take this piece, put it in there. So then it's like that. Alright. So then you're going to want to take this piece, place it in there so that it could slide without having to slide that way, just slide back and forth. And take these pieces, the 1x10, place it on there, then the 1x8, place it on there so then it's inside, so then you can do that. If you want more extra force, you could just place these two pieces on there, this 2x6 and this 2x8, then you have a grip. Alright. Goes right out the front like that. Just like the other one. There you go. Thanks for watching.